Go to bed on time and wake up feeling ready to face the day with a little help from your iPhone. Here is how to get into a good bedtime routine. To start, open the clock app, tap bedtime, then tap get started. From here, pick what time you would like to wake up every morning. Then tap next. If there are certain days of the week you don't want your wake up alarm to go off, just tap on that day. This alarm won't interfere with any other alarms you set. Then tap next. On this screen, choose how many hours of sleep you want to get each night. Then tap next. To keep you on track, your iPhone will remind you when it's time to get ready for bed. Select how far ahead of bedtime you'd like this reminder and then tap next. Now choose your wake up alarm sound. These are soothing alarm tones that should gently wake you up. This one sounds nice, tap next. And when you are done with all of your selections, tap save. If you would like to change your evening bedtime, drag the moon icon. Drag the alarm icon to change your wake up time. As you drag, your bedtime reminder and wake alarm will automatically update. If you still want to keep the same amount of sleep hours, drag the orange bar to adjust your entire bedtime window. You can change your bedtime settings anytime by tapping options. Now you are ready to get some shut-eye. To help you have a restful night, do not disturb will turn on automatically during bedtime. This dims your lock screen and silence any call and alerts, so you won't be woken up by any night owls in your group chat. Rise and shine. If you can resist the snooze button and tap stop, the wake screen will stay put until you unlock your iPhone or tap dismiss. You will then see any notifications that came overnight, and do not disturb will shut off for the rest of the day. After you have used bedtime for a night, you can review your sleep. Just open the clock app. The longer you use bedtime, the more data you will have. And that's how bedtime can help you to go to bed earlier, wake up on time and feel more rested during the day.